In this video, we are going to understand how to look up value with multiple conditions and criteria. So we are not using Vlookup, we are using an advanced formula which will be sufficient for any number of conditions or criteria you want to meet. So if you want to learn, then keep watching. Let's create the formula. We'll start with index, and the value from which we want is the column E, that is a salary. We'll select the entire column, freeze it, comma, then start with match function, 1 comma, and then in this part you are going to enter all the conditions. So with us we have 3 conditions. Employee ID should be 102, department should be sales, and area should be UK. So let's start with the first condition. To start with the condition, start with the bracket, then select the column of the condition 1, freeze it, equals to, and take this as reference, then bracket. This is the first condition, it is complete. Now put a star in between, then start a new bracket, then condition 2, the column, freeze it, equals to this cell, and then bracket close, and the third condition, before starting that put a star, bracket, and the third column, freeze it, equals to, and the third condition we want, and bracket close. This is the 3 conditions in match formula, and after this comma 0 and double bracket, and it is done. As soon as you enter, you'll see that you have 5500. Why? Because we have 102, sales, and UK. In case if you want to change it, for example, if you have 101 here, or you can see, I'll just change it 101. Right now it is coming as NA because you have US in this, and if you have US here, it will convert to 5000. So it is looking up values based on these 3 conditions. This formula, the benefit of this formula is you can extend the condition number as many as you want. So in this formula we have only 3 conditions. If it is 10, 15, then also it will be able to easily accommodate all the conditions and criteria into one formula. I hope this formula will definitely help your productivity, and if you like this video, I request you to please like and subscribe the channel. It will definitely help our channel to grow. Thank you very much.